What to eat in the morning to lower cholesterol. Many types of problems can arise when cholesterol level increases in the body. When it increases too much, there is also a risk of heart-related diseases. Therefore, it is important to control it in time. For this, some things can be included in the diet in the morning. Let's know about this. Avocado. Eating avocado every morning can reduce the bad cholesterol deposited in the body. It is rich in nutrients. It also reduces heart-related problems. Almond. Almonds should be soaked overnight and consumed in the morning. Doing this improves blood circulation in the body. It helps in reducing bad cholesterol from the body. Oats. Oats can be consumed to reduce cholesterol. This can remove cholesterol deposited in the veins. Also, it is rich in fiber, which reduces hunger. Apple. Cholesterol can be reduced by eating apple every morning. Because it contains many nutrients, it is very beneficial for the body. Sprouts. Consuming sprouts in the morning is considered very beneficial. Cholesterol can also be controlled by this. You can eat it daily. Gooseberry. Properties like antioxidants and amino acids are found in amla. It helps in reducing bad cholesterol. Consuming it is beneficial for the body. Garlic. Garlic can be eaten in many ways. It works by reducing bad cholesterol and increasing the good cholesterol level. Its consumption is considered beneficial. Cholesterol can be reduced by eating these things in the morning. If you liked the video, please like it. For more such health information, please subscribe to our highly healthy YouTube channel. Thank you. Stay healthy always.